What's up everyone, Nathan here. In today's video I'm going to show you 3 apps that pay you to tap and swipe from your phone. Best of all, they are free to download, so all you have to do is stay with me, but first make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel where I upload videos about how to make money online and work from home opportunities on a consistent basis, and hit that notification bell to be notified every time there is a new video uploaded. Alright, so it's time to make some money with our phones today, and I'm going to show you 3 apps that you can download and make money by tapping and swiping from your phone there. Although, keep in mind, you won't get rich with this kind of apps, so my number 1 recommendation, if you're serious and want to build a long-term business, is in the link below in the description. But we'll save it for the end, so with that being said, let's get started with making some money by downloading apps and tapping and swiping. Okay, so the first application that we're going to have a look at is actually Taps4Money. We can have a look at it either on tapsformoney.com, or of course if we go to and download it straight away from neither if it's an app store or Google Play here. So you can see here with Taps4Money you can grow your money tree and earn taps to cash out $15. Play mini games, water your money tree, work on your money farm, plant your money flower and cash out. You can also earn free prizes along the way to earning your $15. Alright, so you can see here how much can I earn with Taps4Money. As I said, you won't get rich, so you can see here for every 1 million taps you can cash out $15. The cool thing is you can cash out via PayPal or Amazon e-gift card, so that is nice, and it usually send you within few days after cashing out. So that is also really nice. We can have a look at it. Basically says the same thing here, so I don't think, let's have a look at the about. Taps4Money, free, fun and easy way to get gift cards. You have the ability to earn $15 gift card by simply playing games. You can also get $15 sent straight to your PayPal account, so that is nice. Here's how it works. You earn taps by growing money flower, money tree and money farm. So that is how it works. Once you reach 1 million taps, a screen will pop up for you to enter in your email address and what gift card you want. So there you have it about Taps4Money. Just go ahead now, you can download it straight away. And the next application that we're going to have a look at is GetMoCash. Okay, it's MOO Cash, getmocash.com. It is available for both Google Play and App Store, of course, Android and iOS. And look at this, turn swipes and taps into cash, earn $5 per day. That is nice. So if I have a look at it here, many rewards, redeem coins for cash, free mobile, recharge, free talk time and gift cards. You can see it's easy to earn coins, get these offers on your lock screen and swipe to take offer. It is as simple as that. And it also say try apps. You can visit pages or complete tasks and surveys also. Okay, so you do have few options there to make money. Here are the FAQ. You will see banner that launches. So this is actually what type of offers you get. You will see banner that launches App Store for you to install free apps and games. You might also get banner that opens a page with rich media such as videos, e-commerce promotions, food delivery offers, etc. And it says here that you can redeem rewards. Minimum is $2 or 5. So that is really nice because it is simple to reach that level, I mean. And you cash via PayPal or bank transfer. Also very nice. So we have PayPal alternative here again. You can see here actually what kind of gigs there is available. You get for 1,430 for SiteJabber, YouTube, Facebook, for leaving a review you get 400. So here are some different tasks actually that you can earn the coins here through those kind of micro jobs. So there you have it about get Mocash, okay. And the third application that we're going to have a look at is Giftloop. Giftloop, unfortunately, I found it only on Google Play here, on Android. So Giftloop, the fastest and easiest way to earn free gift cards from top brands. You combine your favorite ways to earn. Charging screen, you can actually make money by charging screen here. Earn free gift cards while charging your phone, just for having it plugged in. So I mean, you don't have to do really anything at all. Lock screen, discover interesting articles, news updates and cool offers right on your lock screen. Best part, you get rewarded for doing so, and this is actually what we are interested in first place, swipe and choose. So what you do is you swipe through interesting offers and funny memes, or choose directly from the offer wall packed with high-paying service, apps, videos and more. And you can even win prizes in the daily raffle. And they say here that payouts are fast also, which they are. Of course, another free application, as I mentioned in the beginning, all the apps are free here. So there you have it, Giftloop, Mocash and Taps for Money. Alright, there you have it, 3 apps that pay you to tap and swipe from your phone. Keep in mind, as I said in the beginning, you won't get rich with these kind of activities, but if you're serious in making money online and work from home and build a real online business, you definitely need to check out my link in the description below here. If you got some value out of this video, I really appreciate if you hit the like button. Before you leave, you'll find at the end screen here 2 channels to subscribe to. Both are mine, both are related and make money online and work from home opportunities. So subscribe to both these channels. Hit the notification bell also to be notified every time there is a new video uploaded. And there is also another video recommendation there. Alright, thanks a lot for watching and see you soon.